higher wattage laser allows us the ability to turn the wattage all the way to a very, very low, almost imperceivable setting, which is anything under approximately 8 watts, or all the way up to 60 watts, which is being used in veterinary medicine for large animal treatment. We typically run our laser in most areas of the spine from 30 to as high as 50 watts effectively. We're finding over time that the patients really feel comfortable with those treatments and that it's very effective, and we get more changes quicker. I'm going to turn the laser on now, show you what a cold laser looks and feels like. We'll turn the tissue penetration down to 8 watts today, just for demonstration purposes. There are many safety features, one of them being the correct goggles. When you come in for treatment, the doctor will give you goggles to protect your tissues of your eyes, because those are the areas that are very sensitive to laser. Once the safety features are in place, we can turn the laser on and administer dosing. So you can see there is a red light indicator for where we're directing the beam of energy. This lens is being held off the tissue of the skin by approximately 1 inch. What that allows us to do is put a lot of photons of energy deep into the tissue and have the ability for the tissue to dissipate that heat by not having the lens right on the tissue. Earlier builds of lasers tended to have the laser touching right on the skin, and therefore you're limited by the amount of heat the body was able to dissipate during that treatment as to how much wattage you could use. So based on this, we're able to go to much higher wattage settings, treat more areas in the same amount of time, and have better overall, quicker healing of those tissues.